Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, January 16th. Hope you're enjoying your day so far. We do got a lot of data to go over, so let's jump right into it. We'll start off with the weekly jobless claims. Sorry about that. These lines are kind of going through there. Weekly jobless claims. So last week we had people. Last week's report came in at 214,000 people applying for unemployment. Forecasts have a slight uptick to 220,000, but it came in lower actually at 204,000. So this is about 5 weeks in a row we've had lower jobless claims coming in. Each time coming a little lower, which is good news here. Shows that the economy is pretty strong in terms of the labor market here. Now, we also got retail sales for the month of December, which appears to be a pretty strong number. We had 0.3% growth in November. Forecast for December was supposed to be a little bigger, a little higher at 0.4%, but it came in at 0.3%. But if you take out the big ticket items like autos, we had nothing in November, but forecast is calling for 0.6% increase for December, and it jumped up 0.7%. So nice improvement for retail sales. Also, manufacturing in the Philadelphia region, which gives us the Philly Fed. We had 2.4 back in December. Anything above zero is considered expansion or optimism, and we went forecast calling for a slight improvement to 4.0, and it had a huge improvement to 17.5. So great numbers here in Philadelphia, in the Philadelphia region here that manufacturing picked up. We saw a slight, a little bit of an uptick in New York the other day, which is a good sign that manufacturing seems to be picking up right now. Import price. We had a 0.1% increase in November and increased further in December at 0.3%. Then business inventories in October it rose 0.1%. However, in November it dropped 0.2%. And then last but not least, we got the confidence level for home builders. NAHB Home Builders Index, we had 76 back in December. However, it had a slight drop to 75. Now let's jump ahead here to the headline news. Stocks are up on this morning. We got the phase one deal signed yesterday. There's people are still kind of reviewing it. It's about 96 pages, and it looks like this can be in. They're going to roll out the tariffs in different phases. Again, we don't know the phases as to how many phases there will be. That's still uncertain. The other uncertainty is that China is supposed to be buying approximately $200 billion worth of goods, I think, over the next 2 years. That could be that creates some uncertainty. Some people have doubts that could be done, that China would do such a thing. And there's a lot of uncertainty throughout the whole thing. So a lot of people are not sure if this phase one is going to really help that much in terms of the economy or anything. So again, uncertainty is kind of catching on a little bit, but the stock market is still up. We're also getting more corporate fourth quarter corporate earnings are coming out. Nothing substantial came out today that I've seen or even reported, but the first day we had the big banks, a few other yesterday, but so far they're just kind of trickling in as we get warmed up. And the big news, of course, is the phase one deal that got signed yesterday. Let's see how this is playing out in the bond market. Bond market is down about 3 basis points so far. Not enough for any change in pricing, so mortgage rates will remain unchanged. Yields are up a little bit, but 2 days in a row here, as you can see, this Fibonacci level is at 1.779. It's touched both days here, so it's testing it. But right now, it's currently up about 1.81. So right in here is about 1.81 currently, and we'll see how this plays out if we can break below this or not. But it's been a pretty strong, as you see. Last time we were really down below it was back in early part of December. So since then, we maybe like 1 day and it broke back up type of thing. So kind of it didn't really last long. All right, so that's pretty much the wrap for the day. If you guys are in California, I'd love to hear from you guys. If you're looking to buy or refinance, please reach out. We can help you out with many different scenarios here. We have a wide variety of loan programs and great pricing, and offer you some great advice on different strategies that you could utilize, not only for home purchase with different loan programs that are available, but also even for strategies wise. If you're looking to, as investors or somebody who's just getting into it, we can talk about different strategies you can utilize with the different programs we have, to even just from retirement planning ahead to college planning ahead, different things we can kind of work on and help you to get structure your mortgage in a way so that way you can obtain those goals. All right. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll look forward to catching you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.